Voice assistants and AI. Voice-activated assistants play a key role in the movie, demonstrating how AI can simplify daily tasks and enhance convenience. From controlling smart home devices to managing schedules, these assistants are becoming increasingly embedded in our lives.
Call 911.
Real-time location sharing. In this video, we see characters using apps to share their location in real time. This technology is vital for ensuring safety and coordinating with loved ones. It helps us stay connected and offers peace of mind, especially in emergencies. Social media integration. In this video, emphasize how social media can be a crucial tool for tracking and gathering information. It reflects the power of digital footprints in solving problems but also highlights the risk of oversharing and the need to manage our online presence carefully. The PM features high-definition cameras and facial recognition technology. While these tools help with security and can quickly locate people, they also raise important questions about privacy and surveillance. Balancing safety with personal privacy is a growing concern in our tech-driven world. In this video, these technologies are central to the plot and offer a glimpse into their real-world impact. While they bring significant benefits, they also come with challenges that we must navigate carefully.